Now the transport sector has several issues. Major ones are two, I think. One is infrastructure gap. Another one is externalities. Climate resilience, safety. For professional requires leadership, new technologies, systemic thinking to promote green, inclusive transport projects. Hopefully, this type of program will help.
Over the past years, we have very deeply cooperation with ADB. And last year, we signed a new round of MOU and agreed to explore more potential cooperation area. And I think the ATLP is a very important and innovative extension of our cooperation. The program is very successful and plays a very important role in promoting the regional and global connectivity.
I'm also very much proud that the CAREC Institute, Central Asia Regional Economic Cooperation Institute, is actually taking part in organizing this workshop. We are very strong and good partners with ADB in Asia Pacific Financial Development Institute. We have contributed by finding the right people, right institutions from our CAREC region. We will continue to do this with our partners.
I was really amazed and impressed by the amount of people we have from various walks of life. Our clients from ADB, different resident missions from headquarters. And I think whenever we organize something like this, there is a lot of learning just by doing a lot of the exercises together. It's a great way to learn from each other, to share thoughts, to have a bit of case studies and lectures which allow you to build some new skills.
So the program is about the next generation of the transport sector leaders. We have observed a lot of transformative or even disruptive changes in transport sector, which has very far-reaching impact to the world, to everyone's life. We feel this is a right moment to start building the next generation of transport leaders. One thing I want to highlight here is since we started talking with our partners about this idea in 2024, we get overwhelming support from everyone. I also want to mention BPMSD and RKSI, who has provided great support to make sure the program can reflect the latest transport solutions.
Through the site visit, we would like to provide a platform for the participants to see the technology solutions to the transport system and provide them an opportunity to have communication with the practitioner.
We developed 3 brand new case studies as part of this course. I think it really works well in this sector, mainly because there's always lessons that students can learn from looking at other projects in other countries that seem totally different than their own. They can then extract and apply to their own circumstances.
Этот семинар нам дал возможность обменяться опытом с нашими коллегами из Центральной Азии. Также дал полезные знания о современных вызовах и решениях в транспортной отрасли. Также особенно было полезно именно практические сессии, практические занятия, да, где мы обсуждали такие современные решения, как внедрить инновации, как развивать именно транспортную инфраструктуру в целом.
Мы нашли для себя определенных опыта для дальнейших развития. Было бы лучше, что организаторы данного семинара этот семинар продолжат в дальнейшем. Данный семинар определяет или выявляет новые качества современных лидеров в транспортном секторе.
That experience of the off-site visits showed how much innovation is happening in the region and countries like the PRC and how much we have to learn.
I also find that the leadership workshop and also the fireside chat brings a lot of leadership quality that needs to be held by the leaders. This includes having strong purpose, mitigating the risk, and having a genuine relationship with the clients.
What we like to do is to build on the very successful cohorts of the leadership program that were held in Tokyo and now in Shanghai. So how we do that is in 2 ways. Firstly, we'll take all the lessons from these cohorts and make sure that we build a very successful cohort in Seoul early next year, and also another one in Tokyo later next year. In addition, we will establish an alumni framework for the program. This will help us to discuss innovative transport solutions, build a wider network of transport leaders within the region.